I'm the eclectic herbalist. So, obviously it's been a while since I have recorded. I completely forgot my intro. And this was kind of a spur of the moment post, but not really. I've been planning to do these recordings for a few days now. I just haven't really rehearsed in a while. Anyways, as you can tell, we're in a completely new location, so you may know what that means. We did finally get our camper. I will be doing a complete video on that. I'll probably do the intro and outro and like the talking points today. I'm doing a lot of videos today. But yeah, so in today's right now's video, this moment, I have a bunch of unboxings to do. As of now, I am no longer with or subscribed to Apothecary at Home or Herb of the Month, and that is no fault or anything to do with the company. I would love to continue even further. We are in a camper and I do not have room for my apothecary stuff as is, which most of is all still in storage. So I do plan on doing a complete unboxing of all of these boxes and then do the projects within them. That way I can reduce space and get them out of here. I also have this Persephone Hag Swag box that I'm going to be unboxing. I'm probably going to do that first. So let's go ahead and get into the first box since we're talking about Greek gods. This is, like I said, a Persephone ritual box. I'm obviously going to be shooting a different way than normal just because I don't have the way I was setting up at my other room, and I don't have that capability of McGrubbering it, or whatever the phrase would be. Hag Swag box first. First, get this gorgeous ass card that is going to be going onto my altar, which I will give you guys like a tour of the altar. Oh, there's stuff on the back. So, yarrow herb, Demeter's torch candle, Persephone ritual oil, the ℎ𝕬𝕠𝕤 pomegranate altar tile, and a rebirth of the goddess Soak, and a pomegranate sticker. I like the feeling of this card. It feels nice. Anyways, okay. Anyways, embracing our shadows. And then monthly subscription. So I'm not affiliated for them in any way. I just saw this tile. I saw this tile on an Instagram ad, and I had to have it. You can do a monthly subscription box, or you could just buy them, the boxes, at whatever time you want. They are a little bit more expensive if you don't get them monthly, but I'm going to go ahead and spend that extra money anyways. I got this vinyl sticker. So this pomegranate plate is the whole thing that I wanted. The ℎ𝕬𝕠𝕕𝕤. It's nice and thick. I like that. Okay. Ah! Candle for Torch of Demeter. It smells great already. And we got a little snippet here. In her search for Persephone, Demeter carried her torch and looked high and low, day after day, refusing to eat, worried for her daughter. 4-ounce candle scented with, oh, then it just goes into the candle. Oh! Oh my god, it smells delicious. What is it scented with? Fruit and fresh herb topped with pomegranate peel. It smells... I'm not good with fragrances, but it kind of smells like vanilla and sandalwood. Anyways, moving on to the next. Some yarrow. Oh, I love this jar and this sticker. This is great. perfect for where I'm at right now because my yarrow jar is like a large jar that I can't have. Some ritual oil, awesome. Oh, and there's stuff in it. Alright. The ritual, or the rebirth of a goddess bath soak. So this is going to be saved because I actually cannot take a bath. Like, I mean, we have a tub, but it's very tiny. Like, the baby can take a bath in it. And then that looks like it's about it. So we're done with this box. Lovely things. Would recommend. Definitely would recommend. They have other stuff that I'm looking at getting, but the price is kind of high to just like go willy-nilly on. I'm not a big baller. My tax bracket is quite low. And then we also just bought this, so. Camper. What is that? More sticky stuff. Okay. So on to the next. Let's scooch it in a little bit. No, we're doing unboxings. Alright, so, I don't know what order these are in. I don't have the month. I do have this. Apparently there was a misprint in one of the boxes. Don't know which. 𝕊𝕙𝕠𝕠𝕜. I'll figure it out. Anyways. So, Herb of the Month box 1. I do not know what it is. Everything's going to be a surprise Russian roulette here. These are chickweed. So it is chickweed. So as we know, we get our little chickweed card. Chickweed seeds. Awesome. Our chickweed herbal monograph. Our chickweed bingo card. And then we have this picture, a hand-drawn sketch from the owner's mother Virgie of some chickweed. We got two 2-ounce bags of chickweed. I have absolutely no jars. Well, that's a lie. I do have jars. I might have to go get some jars just for while we're here. And some magical chickweed oil for potion, love, and fertility. Nice. Am I speeding through these a little quicker than normal? Absolutely. It's a mega unboxing, so we got a lot to go through. And I keep looking up at my viewfinder because one, I haven't seen my face in forever. And I've also looked like a plum because I've been the last 8 months writing Hades, and that's been a real treat. So this one is Meadowsweet, this herb of the month, whatever month this was. So Meadowsweet monograph. Oh, this is what they must have meant by a misprint. Let me get in the box. Okay, that makes sense. We got our Meadowsweet bingo card, our Meadowsweet sketch, and our Meadowsweet monograph. 2 bags of 2 ounces of Meadowsweet. And then, seeds of Meadowsweet. They're very tiny and very few. We have a Fairy Apothecary Meadowsweet tincture. So, Fairy Apothecary, I'm assuming, is the company. So, next herb of the month is Blue Crown Passion Flower. Our sketch. Alright, so our beautiful hand-drawn sketch with the coloring on the back. Our passion flower herbal monograph, that's the front and back. I don't think I mentioned that for the other ones. And then a bingo card. Some calming herb blend. Ooh, we got some tea. Yes. And it includes 2 pouches. Awesome. It is lavender, chamomile, and spearmint. Is there passion flower in it? Don't know. 2 bags of 2 ounces of passion flower, and that's about it for that one. Next one is marshmallow. So, marshmallow monograph. Basically all the same things. The monograph, the bingo card. I like how they put pink little things on the side of this one. And then, ooh, a pretty little sketch. But we got more. Ooh, it's a different one this time. So we got another clay mask. marshmallow seeds, 15 marshmallow seeds. And then of course our 2 bags of 2 ounces of marshmallow. On to the next one. Oh, I have 2 passion flower boxes. I have double the passion flower. Alright, this next one is sage. Sage monograph, sage bingo card, and a beautiful sage sketch. I got all excited. It's just some sage incense. I think this is just regular cooking sage. There's a white sage. Got some sage seeds. I love getting seeds. I will be planting those. And then our 2 last herb of the month box. Lavender. Anyways, lavender monograph, a lavender bingo card, and a lavender sketch. Lavender seeds. Lavender is so hard for me to grow. Lavender and rosemary for some reason. We have some lavender shea butter, and then 2 ounces of our lavender. Alright. So normally I would go over what we got in the PDF, but like I said, I don't know which box is which. They're all out of order. Calendula. Ooh, calendula. I could be wrong. No, that's calendula. It says right there. I don't know what these 2 are. We'll learn. Oh, more tea. Oh, my tea. Where is it? So this one's pain relief. It has kava kava root, organic white willow bark, and hibiscus. I love their teas. Loose leaf tea company. We have a gauze roll. I'm assuming this is the first aid subscription box. We got a tin for some salve. So here's one of our dropper bottles and our 2 mesh bags. We might only get 1 dropper bottle because we have a tin and a dropper bottle. Our 2, I believe they're 4 ounce little jars, maybe 2 ounce. A little no, that doesn't look right. Okay, I get, so when you sign up for the subscription, for those of you who are new, you do get the option of choosing soy wax or beeswax. I choose beeswax, so I got 1 ounce of beeswax. We get our 4 labels. I know how many are in there. And we got a pack of thyme seeds, 2 ounces of calendula. Awesome, love it. 2 ounces of thyme. So I don't know when that stopped. It could have stopped after this disclaimer, before the disclaimer. Anyways, that was the first aid box, I believe. I guess this does go in here. Let's see. It's just really squeezes down in there, I guess. Next box. This one is replenish teas. So we have these 3 beautiful sketches. Boop, boop, and boop. Couldn't tell you what those are. Is more tea. Love their tea. So this is the replenish from Loose Leaf Tea. It is organic spearmint, nettle, oat straw, red clover, and red raspberry leaf. I say organic first. All of the ingredients are organic. We got some alfalfa seeds, our labels, another ounce of beeswax, 1 jar for macerations. Those are our maceration jars. I love when we get different types of dropper bottles other than the regular amber. I like these type. Oh! We got 3 straining bags. That's pretty cool. What's this? From Blue Poppy Bath and Body. It is. Sore muscle rub. I have this somewhere. I had to like hide it or like put it somewhere because I didn't want people thinking it was chapstick. Another tin. We got 2 ounces of comfrey, and it does on the, I don't know, it's not gonna focus for you guys. For external use only. We got alfalfa and plantain. There's the other label I knew we got. The disclaimer. Third box. Alright. So this looks like chamomile. Don't know what this is, but it's very pretty. It's a star flower. This looks like it might be mint of some sort. Stress relief. Organic oat straw. I don't know why I keep calling it oat straw like that. Organic oat straw, skullcap, ginkgo, ashwagandha, and clove. A label. Ooh. Another little vinyl sticky. Chamomile. 2 more jars. So, more steeping bags. More dropper bottles. That's right. Lemon balm. So, I'm thinking what I thought was mint was lemon balm. And then the star one that's so pretty is St. John's wort. And chamomile. More of my labels. Last box. A label. Pretty. Boop. Boop. And I don't know what that is, but that's gorgeous. Alright, we have sinus relief, so I'm assuming this might be something for respiratory. Organic horehound. Organic fever flu. Organic fennel. Licorice root, and echinacea. We have a shower steamer, peppermint and eucalyptus, 50 common mullein seed. They are tiny little things. Labels. Ow! Our maceration jars, our dropper bottles, our straining cloth. So straining cloth, dropper bottles, and macerations come in every box. For those that are new to the subscription. 2 ounces of mullein. Ooh, an ounce of wild cherry. So that's what that pretty picture was. Oh, oh. And 2 ounces of I can't read this word. So it's going to be pronounced wrong. 𝕬𝕠𝕕𝕐𝕐. 𝕬𝕠𝕐𝕐. Got all my herbs and all my teas and such in the mess of boxes.